Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.